Everyone, yeah, at the moment we are here at the, oh, I forgot the name, Conroy Park. No, not Conroy, but yeah, different name. But yeah, I just finished my duty today and it's very hot. Yeah, very hot. Roywood is the name of this park. And yeah, this is actually my rice and the adobo that I cooked yesterday. So basically this morning, yeah, the fridge has no power. Yeah, and so I bring it to the fridge in the workplace, in the staff room. I don't know if it is bad for health, the microwave food every day. Yo, and actually, yeah, I'm still here in the Conroy. I forgot again. Yeah, but yeah, it's beautiful here. And it is a little warmer, I mean cooler at the moment. Yeah, because there's no more sun. Yeah, that's why, yeah, it's good to walk around. Actually, a lot of people over there. Let's go and have a look again how beautiful it is at the moment. So yeah, there are a group of people over there. Oh, Roywood Reserve, the name of this place. Yeah, there's some kids, people swimming. You know, the good thing about here is that you can just park your car over there, and then there is this grass area, and then yeah, the beach already. You see the water from where you are sitting. There's also a barbecue place over that side. The toilet is just over there. That's why it is good here. And I was just here, yeah, editing video. And we are now here at the sports center. Yeah, actually lots of cars. Yeah, fully occupied the place. Yeah, basically something is going on at the moment, kind of sports activity. Yeah, mostly kids sports activity. Yeah, even on the other side, but mostly here at the fields. Yeah, they are playing kind of yeah, rugby, football, all the way to the other side. Yeah, but yeah, we're not going to watch that. I'm actually going to the swimming pool, going to swim today. It is now already 5:13. As I can see from outside, the swimming pool is actually not very busy. And it is raining now. Yeah, actually heavy rain. Yeah, and actually still a lot of people at the playground. I don't know if they are still playing. I don't know. Probably. Yeah, actually I just swim for maybe 15 minutes. Yeah, because they close at 6 o'clock. The time now is 6:58. Yeah. And I'm editing a video. Or maybe the sports is, the gaming is finished. I see the people running. Yeah. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, good day everyone. We are here at the shopping center. Yeah, I just finished my duty. What's that? I saw something. Oh, maybe running out of battery. Yeah, I just finished my duty. And I actually fell off from the, yeah, fall down. Fell down. Yeah, I was. So basically I was cleaning the hood, the exhaust fan, And then I slide on the burner area. Yeah, and so this one is painful at the moment. When I was down there, I suddenly can't, difficulties to breathe. But no one sees me. Yeah, so no one knows that I fell down. Now you know. But it's okay, I'm good. Now I'm going to the... Yeah, actually there is no good place to have coffee shop. I prepare a quiet one. There is a coffee shop inside the shopping mall, but too much people around, walking around in the food court and near the Coles. Maybe I go to the Salamander Bay Hotel. Actually, it's a pub. Thank you. And this is what I'm having. Big fish and chips and big portion. I don't know. Yeah, I'll be having a hard time to finish it. Oh, very nice. Yeah, I actually found a hidden place here. Yeah, no one can see me here. Yeah, so basically that's the main area for the restaurant outdoors. And a lot of people over that side. Other side is a pub, like a gambling place. This is the actual dining area inside over there. And most of this table is actually already reserved. Yeah, for 17 people this area. Another more, all tables actually outside here. The time now is still 3:34. It just looked like that and I saw that there is this table, so I come here and now I am comfortable to use my computer. Yeah, but I still did not finish this salad and chips or fries. This is a big portion, 2 pieces of fish. Yeah, $28. Yeah, expensive food, but I already eaten, so it's okay. Oh, the camera is following. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's really following me. Look. Very nice. I was not using that features just yesterday actually when I discovered it. Yeah, we are now here at the sports center. There's so many cars. Actually, I had the difficulties to find a space for the vehicle. Yeah, almost everything is occupied. Yeah, except this one. Of course, there is always someone leaving, so this one they just left. Swimming pool is open, but so basically there is kind of a sports event happening at the moment. We are going to have a look at that. Fully occupied. Even actually the grass area has a car parked like this. Actually, school is not starting yet, but I don't know what kind of sports event is this. We're going to have a look. Look at that. It's all the way even to the other side. Oh, I think it's finished. Yeah, everyone is, or maybe just change player. I'm not sure, but I am leaving. I'm going to the car. Yeah, I was there watching about 30 minutes. This is actual living. Yeah, all the cars actually already left. There are like two cars still. No more in this area. Today is Saturday and it's February 1. I think the school will start next week. I'm not sure. I'm going to cook this. Oh, very nice. This camera is actually following me. I just discovered these pictures. I was not aware of this picture actually. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are here at the moment in Albura Marina. I'm actually doing my laundry. Still have 30 minutes. Yeah, it is drying now at the moment. And yeah, I actually went to the grocery. Did not able to record, but yeah, I bought this barbecue pork siomai. Yeah, this much. I forgot. I think this is just about $5. 40% discount, but I don't remember the price. Also bought a packet of spinach. This is just $2 something. And this pork crackle. Yeah, $2 something. I paid around $8. Then did not really pay attention to the price. Yeah, I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm not going to just fry it or steam it, not just like that. But yeah, I think a soup, kind of soup. I have this French onion mix. So this is what I'm going to use as a base. I'm just going to add some water. I'm actually running out of water already. Yeah. And like as what hopes, like what I've said, this camera is following me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 20 siomai. And these noodles also I'm going to put later. Oh, this is not noodles, this is spinach. Yeah, because I was thinking about noodles. I should have noodles here, but I don't have. It is boiling again. I don't know how it is going to taste. Probably tastes like onion soup, but oh, hot. Yeah, onion soup, the taste. Because you know, when I was in the grocery a while ago, 5 minutes more for my laundry. It's drying at the moment. Yeah, when I was in the grocery, I was about to buy pork to make adobo, but yeah, I just had adobo last week. And I don't like mincemeat. Yeah, so I don't know what to cook. Yeah, and then I saw this siomai that is on sale. And that's why I'm having this. I don't know, but this yeah, this one is actually microwave safe. Yeah, according to this Armada sandwich medium bags. No added BPA, microwave, defrost, and freezer safe. Yeah, that's the reason why I am microwaving it here. Let me show you. So this is how it is now. Oh, my laundry is finished. Yeah, so I'm going to eat later. Yeah, this is mine, this two. And there are two new dryer we're doing. Yeah, this is my white. So basically I have my trouser, my apron, chef jacket, and sando. Wow, look at this, looks delicious. This is 20 siomai, so I'm going to eat the 5. And then I will put in the, yeah, in here, the rest. Nice. This already, this is still a little hot, but yeah, I'm going to portion it now.